How to remove encryption and restrictions from NSF files in Lotus Notes. IBM Lotus Notes is widely known as it is a very secure platform. The Notes storage facility is used to store emails, information, notes, calendars, appointments, contacts, etc. It also contains application codes, security rules, etc. So, it is protected by various security parameters. But sometimes, it becomes very difficult to break the Lotus Notes local security IE access control list and allow users to gain access to a protected Lotus Notes database. Recovering the IBM Lotus Notes password by manual techniques is a long and tiresome process. It takes time and also needs technical expertise. So, it is best to use the SysInfoTools NSF local security tool to remove the password and other restrictions from secured NSF database files easily and without any complexity. Some of the features of the tool: easy and swift removal of local security from NSF database files. It swiftly removes passwords from encrypted NSF files. Works in complete mode and prevents password removal from original NSF files. Compatible with any version of IBM Notes including the latest 9.0. The whole security decryption process finished in just 2 steps: uploading the NSF file and then clicking the Remove Local Security button. It's easy and simple. Is free from Trojans, viruses, spyware or any adware. The tool is built up with the lowest X footprint that causes the fastest working speed. No file size limitations to using the software. The utility exclusive support to all versions of the Lotus Note database including 9.0, 8.5, 8.0, 7.0, 6.5, and 5.0. It is compatible with all major versions of Windows such as Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, XP, 2003, 2000, and 98. Let us now discuss the working of NSF Security Remover software. First, launch the NSF Local Security Remover software. Then click on Browse to choose the NSF files in the system. Next, select NSF files and click on Open. Now click on Remove Local Security from the NSF files that you have selected. Select and save the files on your desired location on your system. You can also rename the new NSF database. After the removal of local security restrictions from the selected NSF database, click OK and close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.